In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Squarespace form submissions. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to Squarespace, accessing form submissions is an easy process once you know where to click. So let's walk through this together step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each step along the way. First, you'll want to head over to the Squarespace website and locate the login button. You'll typically find this in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. If you don't yet have a Squarespace account, this is where you would normally sign up, but today we're focusing on users who have already set up their website. Now, after you've clicked the login button, you'll see several options for logging in. For convenience, you can choose to log in using your Google account. Click on Continue with Google to proceed. This shortcut is useful as it bypasses the need to remember yet another password provided you're already signed into your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. From here you can see a list of all your websites. Go ahead and click on your website, the one for which you'd like to view the form submissions. Seeing your website listed might feel a little overwhelming if you manage multiple sites, but just take it one step at a time. After selecting your website, the next step is to navigate to the Contacts section. This tab holds all information related to communications through your site. You'll find it in the left-hand sidebar. Clicking on Contacts helps you manage newsletters, customer inquiries, and importantly, your form submissions. Now let's move on to Lists and Segments. This is an important tab that provides you with a structured view of all your contact information. Clicking on this will bring up more detailed options. It's essentially where the magic happens. Within Lists and Segments, you'll see an option labeled Form Submitters. This is your destination for viewing form entries. Click on Form Submitters and you're nearly there. Here you can access a treasure trove of information collected through the forms you've embedded on your website. Finally, you'll be able to see all the submissions that have been sent through your website's form. All the details your visitors have provided via the form will be displayed here, allowing you to review responses, analyze data, and follow up with contacts when necessary. This information is a powerful tool for businesses, offering insights into customer interactions and potential leads. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated to view your Squarespace form submissions. We hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward. Keep exploring your Squarespace dashboard for more tools to enhance your website. Thanks for watching and happy site managing.